How to fix Facebook policy issue on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, we just open settings, and when you open settings guys, what you should do right now, just go to apps or applications, then scroll down and go directly to Facebook. And when you open Facebook, go to storage, and on storage go to the bottom of the screen and click on clear data, then click OK, and that's it, your problem is solved. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.